pictures of power station towers still loom. Although memories fade, past, present and future come together in one room, where cultures intertwine and personality always shines through. Ages, races, creeds and views. Let me be me, let you be you. Let me be free, let you be too. Leaves leave the trees, life's like a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, we won't always agree, but we can always choose to see that we're one in the same, just with different views. I see Telford in colours and hues. It's something so unique, an amalgamation of fields, pastures and concrete streets. In 1779 we built the world's first bridge of iron, walking the footsteps of our ancestors. Let's journey through time. Once again coracles float on the River Severn, while I lay on the grass and look at the sky with a facial expression that says, this day's full of heaven. We love each other, we're strongest together. Street champions, birds of a feather, protecting our green spaces, reducing our carbon, removing pollution and tending our gardens. Acquire grace through your wisdom and find a space just to listen. This is a place to call home, not just a place to exist in. Our nature, our environment, our trees, our water. We must preserve all of this and more. For all of our sons and daughters, we laugh together, cry together. We are Telford, Telford forever. We are one, we are true, we are me, we are you, we are us. And sometimes that's all we require. Imagine if we changed the world again. Imagine if we could go higher. From 1968, yet it goes so much deeper. Told and untold histories in every single square meter. Market towns and silken walks. The woods and streets our children explore. From a place where the bridges don't burn. Thomas Telford immortalized as the world pivots and turns. And as we grow and we learn, and we show our concern by offering hands of peace to those that would yearn. So as we offer this greeting under the shadow of the reeking, let us begin the proceedings, because it's party season. Everything that we believe in, hopes, aspirations and dreams in, let wishes come true this evening. Let wishes come true this evening. Tiles, iron, glass, coal, style, science, class, soul. Miles and miles of grass we stroll. You can hear the roar from the crowd when we smash gold. Memories are made here, centuries we stayed here. If we grow together we should never be afraid here. There's no limits with imagination. To all those who visit, salutations. Merry thoughts of balloon festivals. Creative minds flourish, so do the technical. A wonderland of natural beauty and innovation. World leading, world famous, welcome to our haven. There's more to life than gold and pearls. Let's inspire everyone to create a better world. There's more to life than gold and pearls. Let's inspire everyone to create a better world. Totally terrific, truthfully tremendous. Energetic, enigmatic, never enders. Leaving legacies, leading and limitless. Flourishing, fully focused, felicitous. Original, optimistic opportunities. Real, recognized, real, that's unity. Delightfully developed, dedicated opportunities. Real recognize real, that's unity. The life I lead developed, dedicated dutifully. Stand up, Telford, this is your community. Lights are there to guide the way. The festive feeling, Santa's sleigh. We have only the present, that's all that was shown. The past is gone, the future's unknown. You are not alone. The stars are our home. Our planet's in space. We have already flown. We've already seen what we can achieve if we just believe. See, our mind set us free. So as we stand arm in arm, it's peace we consider. Brothers, mothers, fathers, sisters. And as we stand shoulder to shoulder, we think of our loved ones, younger and older. We think of our legacy. We are the people. We are the chemistry. We are but equal. Let's look to the future, but never forgetting our heritage. We take confident forward steps, and we're never second guessing it. Into the void of the unknown, hand in hand. I can't face this alone. So with me you stand. With every technological advancement, we sidestep obstacles. Clifton, cinema, Telford, theatre, we are phenomenal. Now that we gather in Southwater, anything is possible. Attention.
It's Santa here. Merry, Merry Christmas and the happiest New Year. Ho, ho, ho.
From the local musicians local beauticians. From the Braveheart Cubs to the trademark Bloods. From the market traders to the stars and papers. The farmers, the PRH, the doctors are saviors, the creators, the makers, the ravers, the waiters, acres and acres of movers and shakers, and record breakers, every single inhabitant of Telford town, and every neighbour. When it's cold, let's keep each other warm. Prioritize love over hate. Some of us were raised here, some of us were born. When you're down, speak up. It's our place. I am Telford. You are Telford. We are Telford. We are Telford.
I was gonna say make some noise, but I think it didn't need no introduction, that did it? Gonna get back into some music. How was that, ladies and gentlemen? That was pretty phenomenal, pretty phenomenal. We're gonna get some music back on for you.
Please don't.